inks. That's what I did. I tried out inks for the first time, using inks on the Gelli plate. Well, I'll let you have a look. Hello everyone, welcome back to the studio. Messy studio. Oh, come in this morning to this big mess. Last night I had a session of Gelli plate printing, just making some quick background monoprints to stick onto my paintings everywhere. Big second messy table over there, paintings everywhere. I'll show you the messy table over there. It's worse than this one. These are all the things I left last night. Gelli plate here. I did wash it. I did wash my Gelli plate. Very good. Big pat on the back. So I got some really interesting backgrounds out and some really fun. I really like that one. I used inks. That's what I did. I tried out inks for the first time, using inks on the Gelli plate. Well, I'll let you have a look. Hope you enjoy.
So like I said, I'm going to be using inks today. I've got two little box sets, one reds, warm colours, and one blues and greens, cool colours. Then I've got these metallic, which I love using in my collage papers, these metallic iridescent type paints. Just some regular ink. These I came into my studio and found them on the floor that my daughter had left. She'd been cutting up some papers, so I'm just going to use those as a little bit of a mask. I've got some spray paints, again kind of metallic-y. Oh, there's some gold ink. And some more metallic paints, just regular acrylic paints. So dripping some inks on and get this really cool effect because it's kind of resisting the shiny surface of the gel plate. So I'm kind of intrigued to see what surprises come out today. Here's the first one. Some really nice effects already. I really like this one. It's like it's come out kind of like a leopard print. Here I try just creating some drips, see what happens. So I'll just experimenting. I've never done this before, all new to me, so just trying things out. Here I wanted to try the spray paints, but the spray was blocked, so I just pulled out the top and scraped on the paint. There's still ink left on that roller, so we've got a mix of two mediums. See how this one's going to come out. I love how the ink just soaks up into the paper. Here I'm just using the cap to make some of those circular marks with this iridescent paint. And using this kind of patterned roller. Comes out quite nice. Here I'm using the bits of card that I found on my studio floor, left by my daughter. Just using those as a mask to see what I come up with, just because they were there. I quite like them because they're like tree trunks. Here I try up some swirly whirlies. I think I just used the pipette from the bottle there. Remind me of the stormy skies that I so love here in the mountains. Going over some gold. Now just going in with some regular acrylic paint, although it's a copper colour. I don't put too much on, so I scrape some off to save for later. I've got copper on one end and gold on the other. I absolutely love using metallics in my collage papers. You know, when you put them on the paintings and they just kind of peep through. I really love it. I also use a lot of gold leaf, silver leaf, copper leaf, so that works well with that. So I'm still finding my way with the gel plate, just experimenting, playing around, enjoying myself, using what I fancy, like trying out these inks today. Just going for it. A bit like how I paint, really. I suppose this is all part of my layering process and part of the playfulness that I enjoy in the paintings, and the experimentation of my process. What I love, those surprises you get when you're being curious, investigating with different mediums, materials, finding out what you like, what you enjoy doing, leaving behind the things you don't, and that all becomes part of my mixed media process. That's why I love mixed media. Test out lots of different materials and find out what you like.
So I had a tidy up, got my desk back, and I'll just run through quickly some of the really nice effects that I got. Really liking these. Of course, these, look at that. It's only going to be used as collage paper. I just prefer to make my own collage papers, and they're so easy. You know, artists out there, there's no need to buy. You can get these books and even magazines just tearing up. You don't need to. You can just make your own. It's so much more individual, and it's you. Nobody else can make this. Nobody else can do this. Even I couldn't do that again if I tried. It's so individual, and it's just me going into my paintings after. When I stick these on my paintings, they are me. So it's a big integration of you, me, you. So it just makes your paintings that more original. It's just another addition that you can make. I love these little delicate marks that the inks have created. This was a really big mess. But look, I can tear those up and they're going to be integrated into my paintings. I love it. And this experiment with inks brought so many surprises, and I got this really big idea. I think I probably mentioned it in the video I was going, that I'm just going to put things on my Gelli plate and bam, stick it on my painting to get some of these wonderful effects. Brilliant. Really, really pleased with those. I hope you have a go and get some of that individuality into your paintings. Even use these in your sketchbook, you know, like I do. I love, well, you know, just have a go. It's really good fun. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Au revoir.